You never know in life if you're going to want to work or study in Europe. This is a great first step. And of course, it's also going to allow you to build your network. You're going to make some great friends and meet some great people. My name is Mark, and I'm the Associate Director of Global Relations for the BCIT School of Business and Media. I've been running the Austria and Italy Field School for 8 years. You should come on this field school because it's an awesome opportunity. You get access to exclusive company tours, you get to stay in 4-star hotels, you build a strong network, and what better way to earn credit? The Austria and Italy Field School is approximately 3 weeks long. We'll be going to Vienna, where we'll visit the United Nations, Trieste, where we'll visit companies like Caffe, Illy, in Vicenza, companies like Giorgio, Armani, and in Bologna, Lamborghini. One of the things that impresses me the most is how you'll change over the 3-week period. Trust me when I say this is an amazing experience. If you're interested in luxury brand management, history, great food, and expanding your network, this is the field school for you.